Hello and what's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video. In this video we will see how to remove these lines. If you get a few of these lines in your photos, how to remove these lines with the help of Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this image inside Photoshop and drop it over here. So we have our image open inside Photoshop. So if you used Photoshop before, you will be familiar, but if you haven't used it before, I will make it really simple for you. I'm gonna go, and here you can see this is lasso tool. I'll just click on this lasso tool and I will select this crease over here just like this, and I'll press shift backspace and make sure the content aware is selected over here and click OK. So you can see that the crease is removed from here. You can also do this from here, shift backspace and enter. So we have removed here as well, but there is a slight problem over here. But if I want to do it with this method, it might work, it might not work. Let's see. Shift backspace and enter. So it worked, but it's not that great according to me. So on something like this, what you can do is you can also go and click on this healing brush. You can see spot healing brush. I'm just click on here, and I'll just, with this healing brush, I'm gonna do is I am going to remove this crease. Really simple. Okay, so you can do fix other things as well with this brush. I'm just increase the size of the brush with the right bracket or left bracket, and you can just go on and make your image a lot better. So it's a lot better. Also here it is, the Dall-E watermark. What I'm gonna do is I'll go with healing brush and make it a little bit bigger and just remove this as well. Okay, so it's really simple. And then we'll go and file, export, and export as. So you can export it in PNG. I'm gonna go with PNG and export. I'm gonna save it to desktop and save. So this is how you can fix your images inside Photoshop. Let's move on to the next video.